Good morning guys, so I think this is gonna be my first vlog back on my vlogging channel in a really long time. So hi, how are you? What are you doing? Are you an old subscriber or a new one? You'll definitely have to let me know. Oh my god, definitely have to let me know. But yeah, it's like day 46 of lockdown I think here in Spain, and it's taking its toll on me. Like I feel so crappy, so I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna like put my active mode on and get doing stuff, because if not, like saw that video. They are some of my subscribers and some of my followers, and I absolutely love them. They've made a little group chat on Instagram DMs, and we chat all the time, and they've made me that really cute video and I absolutely love it. So if you're watching this, shout out to you girls, you're amazing, I love you. And yeah, let's just carry on with the vlog. Okay, so I've just got ready for the day, I'm ready to conquer the day. I've just put on this little like cropped sweatshirt from Stradivarius and these mom jeans, which I absolutely love. These are from Pull & Bear, they're my favourite ones. So yeah, I'll show you them like on the long mirror in a second. And then I've just done a bit of BB cream. 1 second, they're ringing me. Sorry for that. So what I was saying is I've just done a little bit of BB cream, lip crayon. I put a tiny bit of bronzer on, but you cannot tell because I literally put the tiniest bit on. Okay, I'll just talk you through the products better, because then you can get an insight on what I'm wearing on my face and my favourite little bits. Okay, it's now in focus. So this is the BB cream I love. Well, it's kind of like BB foundation, I'm not sure. I buy it in the shade 13, and this is just the L'Oreal Infallible. Concealer I love is this Deli Plus one. Yeah, I'm going on. This is what I've popped on my brows. It's just the W7 Queen of Brows. I haven't filled my brows in, I've just popped this on to keep them in place. This is the compact powder that I've used. I need to buy a new one urgently. My Chanel Paris crayon, which is in the shade number 2 Rose Violin. And this is the bronzer I've popped on, which is the one that Chummy actually got me. I can't open it, but it's the Sunkissed Bronze MUA. Love it. And that is that. My hair's so long, guys. I was gonna trim the ends, and they are in urgent need of doing that. But I'm not sure. Do I dare do it? It's because I watched Zoe's live stream yesterday with Sam, and they said to not trim your ends. But I watched Carly by Bell do it, and it seems so easy. Carly by Bell, Carly by Bell, but whatever, Carly. But do I dare to like snip snip? Anyway, I'm gonna tidy up the mess that I've just created, and I'm gonna crack on because there's a lot of things that need doing at home, so I'm gonna get them done because I've just been leaving things and leaving things. So let's crack on. Are you doing a bit of sunbathing over there? Hey you, sunbathing? You look so skinny with this groin, whereas you just look so at peace. Missy, oh my god, your feet look so cute. Oi, mister. Excuse me. This rag, they're just making such a mess of it. Oh my god, okay, rude. Very rude and very tired. Cool. How cute is this kitten? Oh my god. Hello, cutie. Good morning. Your eyes are all sticky. Let's give them a little bit of a wipe. Okay, so here you can see my outfit. I've just brought this mirror into the bedroom. It needs painting, but anyway, I'll get to it eventually. Ignore the slippers. What were I gonna say? Literally forgotten. Oh yeah, I've brought the mirror in and cleaned it. Basically, we've lived here for about a month now, and I haven't got around to doing anything in here. I've like sorted the living room and the kitchen. They look amazing, but now, I mean, I haven't made a right good job of cleaning the mirror, have I? But now today's the day. I'm gonna crack on in the bedroom and get it somewhat like. So yeah, brought the mirror in. So I've just potted this pan and put it here because I think it's super cute, but it's in the ugliest plant pot and water holder thing. But we're in the middle of a worldwide whatever. Okay, so at the end of the corridor, basically we have a bathroom, a bedroom, and a bedroom. But we have this really nice accent wall at the back. You call it an accent wall, don't you? Yeah. Anyway, And then I've got these wooden shelves, which I think would look so nice here on the accent wall, because like they go with the floor and everything, and to put like my books on or something. Let me know what you think. I think that's cute, but I cannot hang it up, it weighs so much. I've managed to bring it from the garage, but I can't hang it up. But I think that looks so nice there. I think that'd work, you know. I'm gonna definitely give that a try. Whew, I'm exhausted. Okay, so I've just come into the spare room because I'm gonna sort through some of the books that I've got here. Here is a stash of books that I've got at this house, seeing as my other stash is at my mum and dad's. And I thought I would talk you through a few of my favourites, and I'm also going to choose one that I'm going to start to read. I'm literally out of breath. I'm being non-stop. I'm going to film this little bit of a section, and then I'm going to sit and have a drink and just check my Instagram because I'm knackered. Okay, so the first two books I have got are actually Spanish books. These are my friends and I have to give them back. And they're by Natasha Preston. This one is called El Sótano, which is the basement. Is it the basement? I'm pretty sure it translates as the basement. 1 second. El Sótano in English. Basement. Okay, so the basement. This book is kind of like a thriller, but it's absolutely, I love it. I read through it so easily, and basically it's about 4 girls that are locked in. I'm going to just translate it to you really quickly. 4 girls locked in. They are the flowers. They're perfect and pure flowers. But how long will they be able to survive inside the, what did we call it? Basement. How long will they be able to survive inside the basement? So basically it's this man that kidnaps 4 girls, obviously, as you can see, and they're his flowers. I'm not going to say anything else, but if you like suspense and like, wow, you've got to read it. It's amazing. Okay, so the next book is Jojo Moyes, Still Me. I haven't yet finished this one. I'm halfway through it, but again, I start reading books and then just leave it. So I need to get back to that one because I read the first one, which is here. This is the first one. I mean, wow. This is Me Before You. If you haven't watched the film, I haven't watched the film, but read the book first. Like, oh my god, I really need to watch the film, but I just hope it doesn't ruin the book or the book ruin the film. Like, wow, I was mind blown by this book. I read it all the way through, which is unbelievable because it's 497 pages. Let me tell you, I'm not that much of a reader, but if a book gets me, it gets me, and this one got me. So this is Me Before You, Jojo Moyes. Amazing. I've just turned the laptop on, seeing as I'm going to start editing a little video. I'm going to give this a little bit of a read if I've got some time. I'm going to post an Instagram photo, that's what I was going to do. And I'm waiting upon a phone call and I need to nip out to the bank. So yeah, I'm going to see what photo I'm going to post. Basically I use a colour story to edit my photos. I'm just going to show you. So this is a colour story, which is the app I use to edit my photos. And basically you can connect your grid, which is your Instagram grid. I'm not going to show you since I have got a lot of photos ready. But yeah, this is where I edit my photos and I think it's really cool, so you should check it out. So I'm just putting on my trainers. I don't know how well you can see me there. But I'm just putting on my trainers because, as I said a minute ago, I'm nipping out. I've received the full goal, I'm nipping out, but I'm so annoyed. Basically my Instagram won't let me upload. It just uploads a white photo and it's this there's this photo I just want to load, and I've updated my Instagram and it still won't let me, and I'm like, I don't know what it's playing at. Please, it's when I press the arrow and then I press next, and it's then which it just does not. No, it's not going to let me go any further. I don't understand. Look, is everyone having this problem that it just gets to here and freezes? Just made someone jump, didn't I? What is that? Oh my god, it's so sunny out today. Oh my god, you scared me, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I'm having a sunstroke. Open the freaking windows. It's absolutely roasting in my car. You can tell the sun is arriving and I'm so excited about it. Okay, let's go. There we go. That's more like it. Okay, where are the dogs? Where have the puppies gone? Okay, I've got one sat there. Oh my god. Oh, I haven't shut the garage. But where's the big one? Okay, they're both sat there, right. Shutting the garage and we're gonna go. Right, let's hit the closed. Now let's hit the road, Jack. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more. Okay, let's go. So I'll talk to you either when we go to the bank or when I get back or whenever. I'll speak to you after. I've just watched that footage back and I'm sorry, I don't know what rattles. It must be like my camera lens on the car, I'm not sure. So sorry about that. But anyway, let's get our things and let's go. What are these two dogs doing? Excuse me, what are you doing? Excuse me. Mister, what are you doing? He says I can't fit under. I want to get under. You're my baby. You're my bestie. You're my bestie. Yeah. Are you biting my car door? Eh? Oh my god. One through. One to go. Hello baby, you're so cute. Do you know that? You're so cute. No, because you're jealous and you're a bully. So I got the baby girl instead. She's so cute. He's so cute. Don't bite me. Don't you bite too, because you're naughty. He's so cute, guys. So I've just got out of the car and remembered that I've got loads of washing to take in. So as you saw, I've just brought my washing in, and this is one piece I wash. So basically, I'm washing my knitted clothes, my wool basically clothes, to put them away because I'm not gonna wear them. Let's be honest. I don't think, like, my jumpers I'm definitely not going to be wearing, but this is kind of a thin material. Is it the wrong way around? No, it's the right way. It's basically just this rib, knitted rib short sleeve jumper, and I kind of really like it with mum jeans. I have not worn this. This is from Zara. It's in a medium, I think, but I've never worn it. But I think that just tucked in with my mum jeans, it looks so nice, like with a belt. But look, isn't that cute, don't you think? I think it looks super cute. I mean, I've not tucked it in properly, but I'm a fan of that, you think? I mean, it's got the washing line mark on because it's been hung out all day and it's too hot, but I think that's cute. I'm a fan of that. Don't mum jeans just go with everything? I also washed this, which is the G-Star jumper. It's in this really dark green colour and it's got a little logo here and it's midi sleeves. This is from G-Star, like I just said, but v-neck, but I really like it. Like, I usually don't like v-necks, but I think this is so cute. And again, mum jeans just go with everything, so I'm a massive fan of this jumper, but it's really itchy. But let me know what you think. I love it. Okay, so it's a bit later on, it's 4 o'clock-ish, and excuse me if I've got chocolate on my face, I don't think I do. No, I'm all good. Okay, so, yeah, I've had a little bit of a nap on the sofa, as you can see my face is a mess. But look what's been done. Ta-da! I think it looks so cool, like at the end of the wall. It's out of focus, but look. It's got the accent wall behind it, obviously. I've just put these cupboards up and I've put my books on it. This shelf, if you can see there, this shelf's further out than them two. So this one I'm going to put books on, and here I don't know what I'll put yet, but I'm just going to put like a little cactus here and like 2 or 3 little bits on it, and I think that's so cute. Also, as I mentioned earlier, my Instagram won't let me upload the photo of me with the albino horse. I don't know why, it just kept freezing and saying like there's an error and knocking it back. So what I basically did is screenshot the photo and cropped it, and I don't know if it's because it was in too high quality or what, and then I've uploaded it and it let me, and it would let me upload any other photo except that one, so not sure what is happening there. And it was only edited on the colour, I'm not sure what it's called, but I don't understand. But anyway, just turn my laptop back on and I'm gonna start editing this vlog just a little bit, and then I don't know what I'll do. Ever since I made this YouTube channel, which is the one that you're currently watching this video on, sorry, it's had this profile picture and it's now time to edit it. I'm so excited, we're gonna change it. Guys, I don't know if you can see properly, but look, Ellie Marie Vlogs. This is from when I did Vlogmas. Look at the Christmas thumbnail, not thumbnails, whatever you call them. Oh, they're so cute. But this is the photo I've put this profile, which is the one that I took today. Just for now, I don't know if I'll change it, but I mean, look at the difference. Oh my god, this photo's from such a long time ago. It's actually on my Instagram. So cute. And just like that, there we go. It is changed. I think that looks nice. Yay. Also, look at the views, 27, oh, and 55 subscribers, but 2727, love that. Okay, so I'm just trying to get some edits done, and I'm literally, like, I'm done with it. Also, I need to tidy the kitchen. I feel like I spend my time tidying the kitchen, dirtying it and retidying it, but I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to commit a murder. It's time to get the spray out. The flies, I've like got 10 flies on my legs whilst I'm editing, and I cannot do that. So this is the spray that I've been using. Oh my god, that looks even more of a mess. It's not that much of a mess, guys, I promise. It's just because everything's in the back. Yeah, whatever. We'll sort it in a minute. This is the lavender house spray, and it's against bugs. So sorry guys, didn't want to have to do this, but yes, I see you, fly. Can you guys see it? Bye. Sorry. I mean, it's not that urgent. It does not kill, like... Right, I should think that's it. I don't want to even... I don't want myself ending up dead on the floor. Anyway, I need to tidy up because... Yes, basically it's a mess. Guys, so a special guest has come to edit with me. Look who's here. Come on up. Dee-dee. He hasn't been out for so long and he's really shy, aren't you? Hey? He's so cute. Look at you. Say hi, people, on the camera. Say hello. You just go and mind your business for an hour or so, and then I will see you, okay? Just be quiet and let me work. As if you'd say a word. Bless him. Okay guys, so sorry about my appearance. I look a mess. I've just been editing this vlog that you're actually watching, and it is 6:15, and I'm just gonna end the vlog here. You probably think, it's 6:15, why are you gonna end the vlog? But it's almost 17 minutes long, and one, I don't want to make the vlog any longer, and two, I want to get it uploaded, thumbnail ready and everything, to set it live in the morning, and then I'm like on a routine. So I think what I'm gonna do is like vlog, like I've just said, like vlog in the morning but finish at like 5-6 o'clock, so then I have time to edit it and get it ready for the day after, if that makes any sense. Like I don't feel the need to vlog into the night because there's literally not going to be much happening. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, smash the thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already, let me know if you want more daily vlogs, and that's about it. I'll see you again tomorrow.